Chosen one. If you are experiencing twin flames anxiety or chosen one's anxiety during your spiritual awakening, it's not a sign that you are broken or failing. It's a sign that your soul and body are asking you for self restoration, for reconnection with all the parts of you you either forgot, rejected, or neglected. This space is for twin flames and chosen ones who feel stuck in their divine mission and who are ready to practice spiritual embodiment for real, because embodiment is the missing piece in your spiritual awakening. Through embodiment practices, intuitive movement, and expressive art, we soothe our nervous system. We heal spiritual separation, and we let the divine feminine and authentic self lead the way into 5D consciousness. Please join also my free community space on Ko-fi. I've put a lot of free resources for you there, and in this space we can meet and talk much more privately. And if you are curious about embodiment and 5D consciousness, I have created a free creative expressive art call on Ko-fi where you can feel how this works, what exactly happens during a call, and how these practices heal twin flames anxiety and chosen one's anxiety, and how they turn overwhelm into grounded self trust, self love, and body love. Download the free guide, join my weekly embodiment calls, and subscribe if your soul feels ready to begin the restoration of self and to finally feel at home in your spiritual awakening. I am looking forward to meeting you.